If you're just joining us, you're probably wondering why I'm carrying an air compressor. We are gonna reface the target, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So we've got one of these Bulldog targets down here. These are probably the absolute best value target you can get. When the face wears out, you literally just go on, they've got a lifetime warranty, and they send you a brand new face. The air compressor is gonna be to run the stapler, and this is what they send you for the lifetime warranty, right? You only have to pay for shipping. Costs like 12 bucks for the shipping here. And we're gonna get this target all fixed up. The big trick here is just to make sure that you are squishing this in and getting this stuff all stuffed back in as best as you can. I'm just gonna stuff this thing, get this as best as I can back in here. And you guys know I'm gonna jump on this thing too. I'm just gonna get all this stuffing really worked in here. So all we're doing is we're just getting this as flat as possible. Really work that fluff down in there. So this is just the wrap for the outer edge. These targets are just like a big wood block. So a big wooden box stuffed with this. It's almost like a pillow fluff. And then you have the facing. This is real heavy duty stuff. I like to start on the sides, and so I'm just lining up the corner. And let's take our stapler here. Right, come to the other side. And we're just gonna stretch this nice and tight as we can here. I mean, it's so awesome though. You literally get one of these targets and you never have to buy another target again. You just pay shipping once a year or so for this face, and you have yourself a brand new target. Let's pin that down. My stapler broke. Oh man. All right, we're gonna have to go manual. We're back at it today in the shop. It is now pouring rain outside, but I've got an old hand stapler. This works just fine as well, and we're gonna finish this up. Let's get this little handle off here. I think these targets are super popular. I see them all over. If you're just getting into archery and you don't know about these Bulldog targets, they're an awesome deal. Company is super easy to work with. I just highly recommend them. So yesterday when I was outside before my stapler broke, I got most of this front face on. We got it all the way around. I'm just gonna pin these corners down now. So I'm just folding them down, and we'll just throw a couple staples in there. If there's one negative about these targets is they're hefty. They do have some smaller ones. This is the XL, I think. Yeah, XL 450, but this thing is heavy. We got this front face on, brand new face on this target. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this on its front side. I was doing a lot of shooting at the center of this thing. This thing was all wore out, stuffing was coming out. All I'm doing, just getting this thing packed down in there. Take face number 2, and we're just gonna lay this over. Don't worry about getting anything tight the first time. I'm just gonna pull this tight. And on this one, I'm pulling each time as I move down, just to make sure I get that nice and tight. This material that these are made of is super heavy duty. It's almost like a really thick feed bag. If you guys know what a feed bag's like. All right, same thing to this. I'll just fold these corners in. Run some staples. All right, now I'm just gonna run it tight all the way around. So we'll just pull it tight. Don't need to be fancy with this. There we go. Brand new face on the target. We are ready to get out there and shoot again. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't heard of Bulldog targets, check them out. Again, I have no affiliation with these guys. I just love their targets. I shoot them all the time. This is my favorite target. This is not a target for broadheads. You need some foam for that. This is a field point target only, but you can get so many reps out of these things. They're super easy to pull the arrows out, really light, just kind of a 2-finger pull, no issue there. And then as soon as you wear it out, you literally just put your form in and they send you a brand new set of faces. First shot into the brand new target here with the Bulldog. Look at that. Beautiful. Like how easy these things are to pull, and they just come right out. Love these targets. And you guys get the first hole.